Welcome! What's an SAP System Landscape? You may have heard the expression never change a running system, but that's not valid for SAP ERP, as we will come to know in this video. For that reason, it will be discussed why a running SAP ERP constantly must change, what the SAP System Landscape is, and how changes within that system landscape are carried out. By the end of the video, you know the main factors that influence changes in the system, the different parts of the SAP System Landscape, and SAP's tool for transferring the changes. Let's begin with the influencing factors for the system change. Like any other software, SAP must be kept up to date in its basic functions. For this purpose, SAP provides support packages. These are updates that fix bugs and include important changes, for example, new fields that are necessary to meet the latest legal obligations. So, support packages must be installed. Then, there are the already mentioned enhancement packages that provide new features to the system. If a company wants to use them, these packages must also be installed. But the SAP system has also to meet the changing requirements of a company. For instance, operating procedures are optimized over time, the company may grow or develop new business areas, and so on. Such corporate activities involve adjustments of the system settings in the customizing. That's why customizing not only takes place during the introduction of the software, but also whenever the business requirements change. To sum up, SAP is an ever-changing system that adapts to changing demands from technology and business. Let's discuss how the SAP System Landscape supports the implementation of these changes. Such system updates must of course not jeopardize the day-to-day business operations. Therefore, several SAP systems for different purposes are set up, and this collection of systems is called an SAP System Landscape. Let's look at the landscape in detail. SAP recommends a three-system landscape. It starts with a development system where all the customizing and programming is done. At the top is the production system where the actual business operations are carried out. And in the middle is the quality assurance system, which is a copy of the production system so that all the changes can be tested under real conditions. An SAP System Landscape consists usually of these three separate SAP systems, and each of them may contain one or more clients. Each system has a key and a description, as you can see here in the SAP logon, where all available systems are listed. Sometimes you can deduct from the first letter of the key what the system is used for. But these abbreviations are by no means obligatory. For example, P is a production system, Q a quality assurance system, and D a development system. In short, an SAP System Landscape is comprised of three separate and independent SAP systems, one for development, one for quality assurance, and one for production. Now you're ready for SAP's transport management system. Because all three systems, P, Q, and D, are self-contained systems, it is necessary that they somehow can communicate with each other. How could you otherwise transfer the system changes? SAP provides a special tool which enables a step-by-step transfer of changes from one system into another. This tool is called the Change and Transport System and can be found here in the SAP menu under Tools for Administration. This tool allows you to develop in one environment, test your development work in a test environment, and then, if the tests are successful, use it productively. This makes sure that day-to-day business operations are not placed at risk by faulty settings or program errors. Changes are only carried out by hand in the development system. The changes themselves are then packed into transport requests and then put in motion to deliver the changes to the respective clients. In short, SAP systems are linked by transport routes, and the changes are packed into transport requests, which are then transported to the various clients. With that, you're at the end of the video. In conclusion, adapting and configuring an SAP system is an ongoing process. Even after starting to use SAP productively, changes are inevitable. This may be due to the implementation of support and enhancement packages or due to new business requirements. Within an SAP System Landscape, separate systems assume different functions as their names imply: development, quality assurance, and production. The SAP tool Change and Management System allows to copy changes step by step from one system into another. This should ensure that the productive operations are not disturbed by new settings or programming. And that's all for this time. The next video is about SAP's programming language ABAP. Thank you for watching and bye!